Hello guys, one more recipe, healthy tuna delicious sandwich. Stay tuned guys. Alright guys, I'm using rye bread and then I've got a shredded tuna tin. Very simple and easy. I've got all my ingredients ready. And we're just gonna mix them everything together. Tuna in first and the rest of the ingredients goes in. It's very simple and easy and healthy recipe guys, and I hope I won't the other reason I'm using rye bread is just to make it healthy. Okay, and I've got my garlic. We're gonna add some chopped green chilies. Gonna give it a nice mix. So what I did is I also added chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, and chopped parsley or coriander. The next goes in salt as per your taste. And then we're gonna add a bit of pepper as well, just for some spicy kick. There you go, and give it a nice mix. So actually I did do a taste test and it's really nice without even cooking. Tomatoes, onions, green chilies, they're amazing. So rye bread, and then just put a dash of olive oil. If you want to use a brush or something to just coat, it's fine, but I'm happy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place it on the top of the bread. Be generous, add how much you want. And then I'm gonna top it with the mozzarella cheese. I've got some grated mozzarella. And then some baby salad, just using some leaves. You can use spinach or you can use lettuce. There you go. I've got my tray, baking tray. Made 3 sandwiches, and then I'm gonna bake it in the oven, 150 degrees centigrade for probably 5 minutes. That should be good. There you go, all good. I'm ready to serve. Simple and easy, very healthy, and very crunchy, and very delicious. This is how you turn your tin tuna into a delicious, amazing sandwich. Yum guys. Hope you guys like it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.